Hello, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. Today, I'm very glad to introduce you one of our company product, the fuel injector. Let's take a look. Neutral white box label, one side each piece. The product code is 04451110917. Also about this kind of logo, label, the packaging details, etc., we also supply the customized service. In the inside, we have two layers. The first layer avoids some damages during the transplantation, and the second layer is this blue VCI anti-rust bag. That's the product of our fuel injector. Let's take a look. For this one, high quality. Each of the injector before we send to our customers, 3 times common real test. And good after-sale service, we supply with 6 months warranty time. And during this period, if you are not set with the quality, we can return and or exchange it for you. Let's check it. Protection cover. QR code, product code and other information. Plug. Inside is triangle valve. Generally, oil goes through from this position. Come out from here. Inject nozzle. For each the spare parts, inject nozzle, control valve, solenoid valve. Generally, we use Li Shumatt, Green Power, etc. If you want hair quality, we can use original Bosch. So much for that. And because the video time is limited, if you want to know more about the injector, you can send comments to me. Caitlin will help you to check it. Also, you can search in our track book app to find the exactly information. At last, if you are not follow us, please follow us at YouTube, Facebook account, and choose one way. No matter the WhatsApp, the emails, or the phone numbers, choose one way. Feel free to contact us. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.